Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chantal and you're very much welcome. Today I am going to be sharing tips and tricks on how to look fabulous at any age, okay? I'm going to talk today about color wheel and how to use it to choose the best colors for your makeup, your clothes and your accessories. The color wheel is a tool that helps us understand how color relates to each other and how to create different effects and moods. The color wheel was invented by Isaac Newton in 1666, sorry. The color wheel can be divided into three categories. We have the primary, the secondary, and the tertiary, okay? The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. These are colors that cannot be made by mixing any other colors, okay? They are the basic building block of any or all the colors. And then we have the secondary colors. We have the secondary colors that are orange, green, and purple. Okay, these are colors that are made by mixing the primary colors, by mixing two primary colors together. For example, orange is made by mixing red and yellow, of course. We have the tertiary colors. These are colors that are made by mixing the primary colors and the secondary colors. For example, we have yellow orange, which is made by mixing yellow and orange. There are 6 tertiary colors. We have yellow orange, red purple, and blue purple, blue green, and yellow green. The color wheel can also be divided into warm and cool colors. Warm colors are the ones that reminds us of fire, sun, and energy. They are red, orange, yellow, and their variations. Cool colors, those are reminders of water, sky, and calmness. They are blue, green, purple, and their variation. The color wheel can help us create different colors harmoniously, which is a combination of colors that look good together. There are many types of color harmonies, but I will show you only 4 of the most common ones, that is complementary, analogous, tertiary, and split-complementary. Okay. Complementary colors are the ones that are opposite to each other on the color wheel. For example, we have red and green, which are complementary colors. Complementary colors create a strong contrast and make each other pop, okay? They can also create a sense of balance and harmony. You can use complementary colors to create bold and dramatic looks for your makeup and outfits. So here are examples of complementary colors schemes using red and green. You can see how the red lipstick and the green eyeshadow make a striking contrast, okay, and draw attention to the face. Okay, then we go to analogous colors. They are colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. For example, we have yellow, green, and green. Okay, these are analogous colors. Analogous colors create a smooth transition and can make each color blend well. Okay, they can also create a sense of harmony and unity. You can use analogous colors to create a soft and natural look for your makeup or outfit. Here are a few examples of analogous color schemes using yellow, green, and blue green. You can see how the colors create a smoothing and fresh effect and complement the skin tone. Okay? Triadic colors are the ones that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. For example, we have red, yellow, blue. These are all triadic colors. Triadic colors create a vibrant contrast and can make each other stand out. They can also create a sense of variety and excitement. You can use Triadic colors to create a fun and lively look for your makeup and outfit. Okay, here are some examples of a Triadic color scheme using red, yellow, and blue. Okay, you can see how the colors create a playful, energetic vibe and add some personality to the look. Split complementary colors are the ones that consist of a base color and two colors that are adjacent to its complement on the color wheel. Okay, for example, let me make it easy. For example, if the base color is blue, then the split complementary colors are green, yellow. Split complementary colors create a balanced contrast and can make each other harmonize well. They can also create a sense of complexity and sophistication. You can also use split complementary colors to create a chic and elegant look for your outfit and makeup. Here's an example of a split complementary color scheme using red as the base color. Okay, you can see how the red dress is paired with a green blue accessory and green yellow makeup to create a refined and stylish look. These are just some ways that you can use the color wheel to enhance your beauty and style. Okay, of course there are no strict rules when it comes to choosing colors, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. The most important thing is to have fun and express yourself with confidence. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments. Okay, also let me know in the comments what your favorite color combination is and how you use it in your daily life. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay. Okay, I love you all. I have to go now. Bye bye. Love you. Bye bye.